Namaste. I welcome you to Bhairavi Parekh's Yogshaala.
All right. Open your right leg out. Right palm on the floor behind and stretch. Those who can, elbow on the ground. Stretch, look up. Breathe. Come back. Now, if you want, you can use the belt if you are not able to touch your toes. Straighten your spine. Hold your big toe, ankle, shin, wherever you are able to reach. Use the belt. Inhale, exhale. Jitna ho sake utna. Stay. Come back, change. You can even keep your elbow behind, the block behind. So rest your elbow on the block if you are not able to touch the ground. Left hand on the floor, elbow on the floor. Stretch, look up, shut your eyes and breathe. Come back. Change. Hold. Inhale. Exhale. And come back. Now, Janu Shirasan. Fold your left leg. Extend your right. Now my legs are in front. Okay? Like this. Hold your right big toe with your right hand. Push your elbow down and try to catch hold of the foot with your left hand. Look up. Back. Change. Left hand. लेफ्ट बिग टो. ये राइट हैंड को ऊपर लेना है लाइक दिस. दोज हु कैन टच योर बिग टो, लुक अप. And come back. Breathe. Paschimottanasana. I'm just showing with the belt. I'm holding the belt with my left hand right now, so you can see me. Can you see the twist? एक हाथ से अगर आप बेल्ट नहीं भी पकड़ना चाहते, if you are flexible, your left hand will be holding your right foot. It's in the cross. You see my elbow in front, and now you twist and raise your hand up. Change. And come back.